For downloading Zoom, just click on Window key on keyboard and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it and then search here Zoom. And here you can see Zoom Workplace. Now click on install. And this will start installing. So just wait. Here you can see the downloading is in process. So now the downloading has been completed. Now it will start installing. So here you can see installing almost done. So just wait a minute. So here you can see it is showing installed. Now let's check. Search here Zoom. And here you can see the app is installed. And here it is opened. Now you can start meeting. Thanks for watching.